You go back to bed this morning, buddy? Huh? Did you go back to bed? Okay. You're allowed, because I know we'd all like to. Since your sister got us up. Yeah, we collared her ass this morning. You don't get one right now. Till you become belligerent and I have to shut you down. Yeah. Well, we woke up with Priya getting into this room this morning, and that's what got me up. I managed to, do the stuff with the video. I laid down with Mateo for another while because just did not sleep overly well last night. I don't know why. Probably too much peach brandy. Poured myself like that much last night, and I was like, whoa, okay, I can't watch a movie. I need to go to bed. And just, that was a mistake. As soon as I got in bed, I'm like, oh, this was a really bad idea to do. I cannot sleep when I feel like that either, so, because the room starts spinning on me. I'm a lightweight, so. And I screwed the video up. I did not delete the rest of the music track from the one time lapse, and it's through the rest of the freaking video, and I'm sorry. I did not know it. It's annoying. It's frustrating. It's just, I don't know if I know I've forgotten music before. I'm not sure that I've left an entire, song in a video that was not intended to be. I was just tired last night, and I don't know. I missed it. Trying to hurry up and get, done. Shit happens. So, I put shorts on thinking, hey, I might get a nice day. No, the high is going to be 42, and we have 16-mile-an-hour wind gusts going on outside right now. So, taking him for a walk, I'm going to be putting my winter jacket on, which sucks. I have to put his jacket on him too, because I don't want him to get cold. I just don't have a lot of energy this morning, and I got to clean this room. I got to change the litter pans out, which is going to be an absolute nightmare because, well, no, I think everything in there is just going to get tossed. It's the only way I'm going to be able to do it. I'm just going to basically throw $22 away. It's not the first time, obviously. Done it many times in my life. Buys things you never end up using or throw away. Anyway, that's part of life. These minimalists, I'd really love to get with one and talk to them and get a really good understanding of how they, do it. There's things oh yeah, that's really neat. I need to stop. Because I'm constantly getting things and then losing tons of money on the backside of it. So, if you ever, pay attention to what you waste. It'll blow your mind. Unless you are one of these people that knows how to live minimalistically and, not waste much. Not, only buy the absolute necessity. What's fun in that sometimes, though, right? I know. It's it's not an easy life to live, I can imagine. I know from my personal opinion, I like new toys sometimes. And then there'll be times like, no, I'm doing good. And then when I do it bigger than I should have because I didn't do anything before. So, more of a creative note, getting back to me loving my toys, this was a little manette thing I created. I was talking about I needed those, right here's the kick for the GoPro to camera mount. And I was saying how this one's got a kick out on it, and I actually have it kicked back. That's why I got those the other day. I actually got two of more of that style there. I think it's a little bit, it might be about the same. So that I can test multiple devices. Obviously, if I run anything against the GoPro, I won't need this part here. But, there's a better way to create this. I actually thought about it if I took a flat ruler and put a 1/4-inch thread on it and just use the GoPro mounts. It would have been a lot smarter. But I already have this built, so I might give this thing a little try today, since I've got the other two GoPro to camera attachments, and run some cameras against each other. Oh, little man and I are finally out the door, almost 10 o'clock in the morning. So I was looking at my corned beef and cabbage recipe, and it looks like it's about a 4.5 hour cook time at 300 degrees. Which means I don't have to probably put it in until closer to 1. So time to do stuff around the house before we go putting that in. But he got the roaster out and got it ready, so and then we'll get back and have something maybe to eat and then get working on cleaning the house. I don't know if I can find one. There are literally snow flurries falling from the sky today. Yeah, almost 70 degrees, well 72 degrees yesterday and snowing today by a flurry. Where are you going? You going home? Is mommy home? You going to see mommy? Yeah, we'll be excited about that. You love your mommy. He's such a cool little ham. What? Since I can afford the time, I can bring them out separately and kind of work with her a little bit. But man, she is just constantly trying to eat stuff. She's been vibrated a lot with the little controller thing. I got the sucker up to 77. She's starting to like ignore it now. Oh, basset hounds. They're so cute and cuddly, but they're so bad. The thing is a lot bigger than, I mean, the box is accurate size. That is a big unit. But right now I'm doing some steak fries for 18 minutes. Let's see how they come out. I'm testing everything out. I got the roaster all set up for later tonight. The one thing I have a question of, and I can't find anything in the book, is what in the hell is this for? I haven't figured it out yet, what that's for. She's a nutcase today. She is just going nuts. What? What are you doing? Huh? I know you don't like the vacuum. She's trying to scare them downstairs, but she just keeps following me. With her daddy. What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Here she goes. You're funny. Yes, you are. You're hilarious. Yes, you are. I'm trying to watch the camera and back at the same time. This is some serious multitasking here. That's the word. What? You're gonna try to bite the camera? Quit filming me. Where you going? Look at your brother. Sounds like a war going on up here. Oh, let go of it, let go of it. You alright, buddy? There's the little legs, man. I worry. She's gonna crunch down too hard and hurt you. You know, we don't need you limping too. Alright. Corned beef and cabbage is all set up in the roaster. Potatoes, carrots, cabbage. I have little potatoes. I have a few sliced big potatoes. And there's all kinds of seasonings on top of everything. And we're gonna let that cook for 4.5 hours, 300 degrees. And there's not much left of the potatoes that we cooked. They're French fries. We did steak fries in the thing. And they're cold now, but they're still delicious. They're crisp. They came out good in the air fryer. I did a quick test. Yummy. Someone is very excited to smell all this, aren't you? You gonna go to the pet store and get your toy for this week? Didn't you go to the vet? Yeah. Yeah. Need you, baby. Getting a little troublemaker out for a walk. We were going through the basket of all his like clothes, and we've got more harnesses than we know what to do with. This is like one of his main ones that we've ever had. You can see how bad it's faded. That thing was bright orange when we got it. Because every time we go to the pet store, I see it. I'm like, wow, that thing is really faded. A lot of usage out of that. What do you figure here in another, what, month or so, he's going to be 3 years old. So, April, May, she got it May 30th, so April 11th. pretty sure about that. I could be wrong. Been wrong before in his birthday. I think last year I was wrong. Oh my god. I come back from him with a walk. The whole time the roaster wasn't plugged in. So now that pushes dinner to about 7 p.m. Stupid. Alright, time to rewire up. I didn't even say anything about this yet. But I'm trying to move the projector into the closet, which was a concept a long time ago, and I just never did it. Figured it was too far over. But I'm trying it. Okay, I think we can close those windows now. What do you think, Bubba? The bedroom's like 20 degrees. It's not cold, but the wind, well, I mean, it's chilly. It might be 42 degrees at that. And I got fans going in here. It's trying to air the bedroom out. It's better. It smells like fresh air now. But anyway, back to what I was saying. I'm trying to put the projector in the closet. I got everything moved over and plugged in, but not HDMI cabled up yet. So, gotta do that, test this thing out, see if I can line it up. And then, my other thought is, that takes this thing kind of out of the, has to be in this position right here. So, as you can see, I had a catastrophe. I might end up putting all of this away and just having the movies on it. So I can take it down to one shelf, get rid of the other one, and just have, you know, one little movie shelf. Maybe the cars will go on top of the one shelf. That'll be about it. What'd you get there, Priya? Huh? Did you get a new toy? You got a new toy? Yay!
Look here.
The feeding frenzy. Is that it? Okay. Let's go. Oh! You gotta watch where you're going there, little one. She ran right into the stand. You can get it. What?
Sure, meatball.
Oh yeah, it is good.
You know it's good?
You've
tasted it?
Not yet, but I can just tell. So this is how I ended up changing the room around. So couch is over here. This gets slid back if you need to recline in that far seat. Computer desk and the movies. The other half is gone because well, I ended up breaking it, but it had some big holes in the top of it for where the two were drilled together. Yeah, we'll try the room like this for a little while. I'm gonna take Mateo out for a quick little walk and then dinner time because it is ready.
You better say hungry growing up, huh? She's getting bigger. He's just holding her and she's getting so heavy. She doesn't look that big. She doesn't, but she's got some weight to her.
I'm gonna go around 23 pounds, 23, 25 pounds. Dinner came out not as good as expected, unfortunately. I've actually had this, oh, it fogged it right up, well. I've had it on for an extra, what, 2 hours now? The meat didn't really tender up in 4.5 hours at 300. I probably should have cooked it maybe just a little bit higher. But, it tasted good. It just wasn't as tender as I'm used to corned beef to being. So maybe I got a tough piece. I don't know. I'll just shut this thing off finally and make the bed and take Mateo out, and then I'm going to start editing. So thank you very much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thumb up if you like today's video, and I will see you tomorrow, 11 to 8 at Walmart CSM. Yay!